Namaste students. Hope you have gone through the class video and you have understood the characteristic features of various members of kingdom fungi. Now let us discuss about some of the characteristic features of class Basidiomycetes and class Deuteromycetes with the help of images. The commonly known members of Basidiomycetes are mushrooms, bracket fungi, puffballs, etc. The mycelium of Basidiomycetes are profusely branched and they are septate. You can observe here the cross walls are formed in the hyphae. So they are called septate hyphae. The mode of reproduction among Basidiomycetes is vegetative reproduction or sexual mode of reproduction. You have to remember that the Basidiomycetes do not form any asexual spores. The vegetative mode of reproduction is mainly by fragmentation, whereas the sexual mode of reproduction is not by forming any of the sex organs. Note that the Basidiomycetes do not form any sex organs, but they undergo sexual mode of reproduction. Sexual mode of reproduction is mainly by a method known as plasmogamy. During plasmogamy, two of the hyphae of different strain or different genotype, they fuse together. The vegetative cells of these two hyphae fuse together, where initially plasmogamy takes place. You know that plasmogamy is fusion of protoplasm of two cells. So after plasmogamy, there is fusion of protoplasm of two cells, but there will be two nuclei. Such a stage is known as dikaryotic stage. It is considered as dikaryotic because of presence of two karyon or two nuclei. The dikaryotic structure later on gives rise to a structure known as basidium. Many such basidia are arranged in the fruiting body known as basidiocarp. The basidium then undergoes karyogamy, that is fusion of nuclei, and after the fusion of nuclei, it undergoes meiotic division. You know that meiotic division is reductional division, where a diploid cell undergoes meiosis to form 4 haploid cells. So, after karyogamy and meiotic division, 4 haploid basidiospores are formed. These basidiospores are arranged in fruiting bodies known as basidiocarps. This is the basidia or basidium. Inside the basidium, basidiospores are formed. And many such basidia are arranged in a fruiting body known as basidiocarp. Let us note down some of the examples of Basidiomycetes. This is a common mushroom or meadow mushroom, scientifically called agaricus. The Basidiomycete name Eustylago, which is also called as smut fungus. Puccinia, which is commonly called as rust fungus. Amansia, commonly called as death cap because it is highly poisonous or toxic. Wolveriella, which is an edible mushroom and commonly called as paddy straw mushroom. Polyporus, which is commonly known as bracket fungi or bracket fungus. Lycoperdon, commonly called as puffballs. Now let us note down some of the characteristic features of class Deuteromycetes. The members of Deuteromycetes have septate and branched hyphae. They generally reproduce either by vegetative reproduction or by producing asexual spores like conidia. Remember that Deuteromycetes do not undergo or do not exhibit any sexual form of reproduction. So, they are considered as fungi imperfecti or imperfecti fungi. Some of the members of Deuteromycetes are parasites and some are saprophytes. Among them, many of or large number of Deuteromycetes are decomposers. They decompose the litter. And there are certain Deuteromycetes which are known to help in mineral cycling. Some of the examples of Deuteromycetes are Alternaria, Trichoderma, Cercospora, which is a parasitic form, Coletotrichum,